How to fix speaker problem in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general. Now here you will see second option is software update. So click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen and refresh phone. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on sound and haptics. Scroll down, click on headphone safety and turn off this button. After turn off this button, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so click the power button and volume down button at the time and restart phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode and you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on accessibility. Now here scroll down, click on audio and visual. Now here turn on mono audio button. After turn on mono audio and click on background sound. So turn on use when media is playing button is turn on. So after turn on this button, your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix speaker problem is in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.